Welcome to Alpha Review. Today, we are stepping into a realm where the boundaries of automotive design don't just blur, they vanish entirely. What you see before you is not merely a vehicle, it is a conceptual revolution, a fusion of two-wheeled freedom and nomadic luxury that the world has never witnessed in this specific configuration. This is the Honda Gold-Wing Concept Transporter, or as the badge suggests, the GCT. To understand what we are looking at, we have to look at the lineage. The Honda Gold-Wing has long been the undisputed king of the touring motorcycle world. It is the couch on wheels, the machine that proved you could cross a continent with the comfort of a luxury sedan. But the GCT takes the DNA and stretches it, literally and figuratively, into a class of one. It is part motorcycle, part executive coach, and entirely futuristic. The exterior, a masterclass in aggression and scale. Let's start with the face of this beast. The front end is unmistakably gold-wing, but amplified to an almost predatory scale. You have the signature low-slung stance, but the fairings have been widened and sharpened. The LED headlight array is a piercing, multi-lens setup that mimics the eyes of a high-tech Raptor. It's aggressive, but it retains that Honda-polished sophistication. As your eyes move back, the traditional motorcycle silhouette undergoes a radical transformation. The GCT utilizes a massive, single front-wheel assembly that looks like it was pulled off a commercial aircraft. The chrome detailing on the hub and the thick, performance-oriented rubber suggest a machine that can handle immense weight without sacrificing the nimbleness associated with its heritage. The cabin section is where the real magic happens. Instead of a pillion seat and hard bags, the frame extends into a sleek, aerodynamic living pod. The transition from the motorcycle front to the van-like rear is handled with incredible fluidity. The black and chrome aesthetic, accented by bold white GCT graphics, gives it a look that is part Men in Black and part high-end private jet. The windows are massive, wraparound panels of tempered glass, ensuring that while you are encased in luxury, you never lose your connection to the road and the landscape passing by. The rear architecture is equally impressive. It sits on a wide, low-profile axle with high-polish multi-spoke rims that look like they belong on a supercar. The way the bodywork flares out to cover these wheels creates a wide body stance that screams stability. This isn't just a camper. It's a high-speed touring lounge. Stepping inside, the pinnacle of nomadic luxury. When we move to the interior, that Alpha in Alpha Review truly comes to life. If the exterior is about the thrill of the journey, the interior is about the prestige of the destination. The cockpit is a digital sanctuary. The rider doesn't just sit on the GCT, they are integrated into it. A massive panoramic head-up display replaces traditional gauges, projecting navigation, telemetry, and surrounding traffic data directly onto the lower portion of the windshield. The handlebars are more akin to a flight yoke, wrapped in premium leather with haptic feedback controls. But let's talk about the living space. This is a grand tourer in the most literal sense. Despite the compact footprint compared to a full-sized RV, the GCT uses every millimeter of space with surgical precision. The walls are lined with Alcantara and brushed carbon fiber. The lighting is entirely ambient and customizable, allowing the occupant to shift from a bright mobile office mode to a warm, sunset lounge glow at the touch of a button. The seating is the centerpiece. We are looking at reclining captain's chairs that feature integrated heating, cooling, and a multi-point massage system. These chairs are mounted on a rail system, allowing them to rotate 360 degrees. You can face forward to watch the world rush by through that massive glass canopy, or rotate them to face a retractable 32-inch 8K OLED screen that serves as both an entertainment hub and a workstation. In the rear section, there is a modular kitchenette and a concealed sleeping berth. Honda's engineers have applied their man maximum, machine minimum philosophy here. The surfaces are seamless, the induction cooktop hides under a marble composite counter, and the refrigerator is integrated into the cabinetry with zero visible seams. When it's time to rest, the rear seating area converts into a memory foam sleeping platform that rivals 5-star hotel beds. Engineering and performance. The heart of a giant. Underneath this gloss-black exterior lies a powerhouse. While this is a concept, the projected specs are staggering. To move a vehicle of this volume and weight with the grace of a motorcycle, the GCT features a hybrid electric drivetrain built around a high-output version of Honda's legendary flat-six engine.